advisory for the following counties in Florida: coastal Indian River, inland Indian River, inland northern Brevard, inland southern Brevard, mainland northern Brevard, mainland southern Brevard, northern Brevard Barrier Islands and southern Brevard Barrier Islands. Wind advisory in effect from noon to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. What? Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected. Where? Coastal Indian River, coastal Martin, coastal St. Lucie, inland Indian River, inland Martin, inland northern Brevard, inland St. Lucie, inland southern Brevard, mainland northern Brevard, mainland southern Brevard, northern Brevard Barrier Islands, Okeechobee, and southern Brevard Barrier Islands. When? From noon to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Impacts: gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details: once the front passes, sharply cooler air will accompany the strong wind gusts. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Serving Melbourne and